Hi, I hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to go over our bookkeeping prepared draft reports task. The first thing you want to do is click Get for free. And once that has been added to your account, you're going to go ahead and click Firm Templates, Tasks, and you're going to go ahead and find that task and then open it to review. Here is your name of the task or your name of the template, everything involved in creating your draft reports or what reports you should be creating. The role assigned is the bookkeeper. And it starts today, is due in 7 days. And again, here is a list of reports that you want to create. You can go ahead and delete anything that you don't normally create or add anything if you need to. Once you have completed all of that, you can go ahead and click Save and Exit. And normally this is going to be part of your bookkeeping pipeline, but today we're going to assign it as a one-off task so you can see what it looks like once it's been assigned. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click New, Task. We're going to assign it to my test account. The template we're going to assign is going to be Prepared Draft Reports. And here you can see again that it is assigned to the bookkeeper role. You've got your description. Starts today, is due in 7 days. And then you've got your list of subtasks. Go ahead and click Create. And now you can see that task has been assigned to your client. Once it's been assigned to the client, the team member or yourself can go ahead and click on that task. And this is what the task will look like once it's been assigned. Again, it's going to have your description. It's going to have all your subtasks. And then as you complete each of these subtasks, you can go ahead and mark them off as completed. And once you've completed all of your subtasks, you're going to go ahead and want to mark your status as completed. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click Save, and it will remove that task from active tasks on your client's profile. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.